So here I am with my 2016 Ford F-150 XL. I'm going to change the cabin filter. Here's the cabin filter I bought off Amazon. The link will be in the description. TYC cabin air filter. Part number 800198P. And again, right there's all the information. So what you have to do is empty your glove box, which I took stuff out, and you're going to need to lower it. So you got a little rubber stopper over here, and there's one up into there, but you'll see down there a cutaway. But first thing you need to do is this arm. You'll notice the hole is bigger at the top, so you need to kind of use your thumb here, grab down there like so, and pull it towards you until it snaps out to the bigger section. Then you can pull it to the side lightly, don't use force, kind of out of the way there. And then to bring it down, just pull that and make sure that rubber tab you can push, and you'll see what I mean right there. And it just folds right out of the way. Okay, so with the light, hopefully you can all see that better. See that there's that cover right there, up into there. It's to the right side of the glove box. See the connectors over there, and then up. Kind of hard to get to. I don't know why they didn't design it a little bit better. So you're gonna want to remove that cover. So you'll pull on the tab that's on the left side, and should be able to get the cover off. And there's also a tab on the right side. So I got it out. That's what it looks like. So you can see there's that tab on the right side and the one on the left side. And to make it easier, you actually can remove that and take that apart. That will pull that unit out. And then that should make it really easy, which I still might have to do. I was hoping I could just get to it this way, but if we have to go through the one extra step, oh well. Yeah, it's rigid enough on the thick part that I can't squish it. Okay, I was hoping this would be easier, but whatever. We'll just remove that screw and that screw. Okay, 7 mil. Where is it? Come on. There we go. It just clips in, but it was just stuck. So you can kind of swing that out of the way like that. Pull out your air filter, cabin filter. You can see I've been on dirt roads. That is pretty disgusting, pretty dirty. Okay. Take the new one. It looks the same. Yeah, it seems like it's the same. So just take an end and it flows down, so you want it in so you can read it. There we go. Take this cover. Now that I have more room, it's a little bit easier. There we go. Then we'll go in reverse. If any of the tabs that fall off from the sides, they're just pieces of plastic. They're not metal. Just kind of push it back on. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total tabs of those white things. 7 total tabs going around. And you just push. And you might grab from behind, push that plastic in, bring it in so the tabs all connect. Take your 7mm bolts, and just kind of thread them in. You don't want to go too hard. Oop. There we go. Take your glove box, and here's the arm unit. You'll take this, put that back in, push that tab. It's just everything in reverse. Pull on the glove box and keep your thumb down to snap it into place. There. And then this trim piece, obviously just rubber piece, just get it all snapped in. Okay, and then I can put everything back in the glove box. So look in the description. I'm not sponsored. I bought this off Amazon. You can click the link, check it out. It wasn't much, I think like 10 bucks. Prices are always changing, so click the link, check it out. And it looks like it's made just as good as the Ford one. I've had this one in here for almost 50,000 miles now. So you can tell it's dirty, so it works. I've been on a lot of dirt roads, so it's a good thing that now I changed it. I probably should have changed it sooner, but oh well. I mean, at least 50,000 miles. I'm good to go for a while, right? Have a good one. Hopefully this helped you out. Take care all. Stay well, my friends.